Hi, I'm Peter with Wham Systems, and we're real excited to tell you about our new line of products. It's our carbon fiber build plate range. I'm going to let you see a sneak preview of what we're launching. So these are made from authentic carbon fiber composite panels that have been glued to our high quality Flexi plates with high temperature authentic 3M glues. So what is carbon fiber? Carbon fiber is a composite sandwich, meaning it's a sandwich of multiple layers. It's layers of carbon fiber woven fabric that has been impregnated with epoxy resin, layered one on top of each other, making a sandwich, and then compressed heavily with vacuum in an autoclave. Carbon fiber is a real tough material that can keep its flat tolerance all through a range of temperatures. We haven't yet found a filament that actually bonds with this, so we don't have problems like PETGs, PEK, and ASA. We don't have that risk of it accidentally bonding, which is really amazing. Most of our filaments that we've tested don't require glue stick. The few that do, glue stick or Vision Minor, Magic Glue are all fantastic options. They'll help them to stay down. When the parts cool, they just come off almost without a flex 90% of the time. So these plates also were made with our Flexi plate to a similar thickness to our other plates. And the reason why is if you already have a Wham Bam kit, you have our magnet, you have our other products, you could easily switch between build surfaces to your liking. Provides a really nice upgrade to your current setup. I'll show you how amazing it looks inside the machine. Once a print is done, the parts just come off very easily, and you get an amazing bottom finish. One word about this, our plates are not effects plates. They're not made to have a imitation carbon fiber or holographic bottom surface. They're made to have a very smooth surface that goes with the rest of your print. Our plates were made for high performance printing conditions, and they differ very much from the PEO and PET imitation carbon fiber plates that are basically only putting a texture on a thermoplastic sheet that has a very high risk of melting and scratching and damaging. Ours are made for longer resistance and durability, and you won't have those issues. So we have been beta testing our carbon fiber plates in about 10 different sizes with 15 different beta testers and our own internal team for many months now. We haven't yet found any filaments that cause any bonding. We've been able to print every filament we've thrown at it, and we're super impressed with the results. We can't believe the great comments our beta testers are throwing at us. So we look forward to hearing from yourselves as well what sizes you'd like to see for your printers. And those of you who get the early edition ones, please let us know how your performance has been. We really look forward to hearing all of that in the comments below. Thank you very much.